Well, there we have it. Last flight around the resort here. It's been a lot of fun. Haven't had too much time to fly, but it wasn't my priority. My priority here was to unplug. So I did. From everything. Brought this with me in case I felt like it, but no pressure, and got some pretty cool spots. Those trees, I want more out of those palm trees and be able to come back through them half matty, but that's all. Pretty cool place here. We're in Kissimmee, Florida, or just outside of Kissimmee somewhere. Got these bungalows going on, these little private homes. They're about 900 square feet. Probably part of a timeshare thing, but pretty cool, very, very comfortable. Couple bedrooms, couple bathrooms. But after being in the mid-Atlantic all winter, this was a much-needed reprieve.